6-month-old Nikayla Jordan is still missing. She and her mother, Amanda Jordan, disappeared last week. Newark police told us Licking County Children's Services was awarded custody of Nikayla. Earlier last week, Amanda's mother was caring for baby Nikayla when police and Children's Services came for the first time to check on her. Today, her grandma refused to talk on camera, but she let her thoughts be known. Susan Allen has very harsh words for Children's Services, and she says they're not telling the whole story. Allen says police came back a second time with a search warrant, but she was dropping off Nikayla at her other grandmother's house. She says she told police where the baby was, but they arrested her and her younger daughter, Raquel Hudson, charging both with custody interference. Allen wants to know why they're charged and the other grandmother wasn't. Licking County Children's Services is closed for the holiday and was not able to respond to questions. Nikayla's mom was charged with kidnapping after she and the baby disappeared. Allen and her other daughter were both released on $300 bond and will be back in court later this week to face charges. She says her daughter Amanda is out looking for her baby. Police say they believe Nikayla is with her mom. In Newark, Rick Reitzel, NBC4.